Since I was 4, I have known I wanted to be a scientist. I have always been fascinated by nature and its underlying mechanisms, which led me to pursue research. I'm Lucia Lombardi, a new lecturer at Queen's University Belfast in the School of Biological Sciences. I moved to Belfast last February to establish my independent research line after spending 4 years at Imperial. My team and I synthesize and characterize peptides for healthcare applications. Starting with the sequence and the structure, we designed and optimized the synthetic strategy. Recently, in collaboration with Robin Shattuck at Imperial, we have engineered new peptides for targeting a vaccine. We also work on antimicrobial peptides, and we use self-assembling peptides to create biomaterials to address antibiotic resistance. Another focus is on self-penetrating peptides to develop shuttles for drug delivery and formulation to improve the oral administration of peptide drug. I have always been fascinated by nature, life, and its underlying mechanisms, which led me to pursue research. Since I was 4, I have known I wanted to be a scientist, but at that time I didn't know what I would do and my research line, but I was a curious child and I knew I wanted to understand a bit more of the natural world. I chose a PhD in peptides because of my passion for proteins and their functions and the desire to create my own molecule. However, at that stage of my life, I thought the synthesis of protein was challenging for me, so I chose peptides, which are smaller than proteins but still made of amino acid. Later, I realized the tremendous potential of peptides as therapeutics, targeting molecules, cargo carriers, molecules for signaling, tissue regeneration, and biosensors. So I never regretted my choice. For me, science is both a passion but also a mission. And in my family, my grandmother suffered from Alzheimer's and senile dementia, which prevents her from living a normal life. This situation has deeply affected me, both as a person and as a scientist. As a person, it saddened me that my grandmother no longer remembers the moments we shared together and that I no longer have the chance to create new memories with her. As a scientist, I realized that there are many people facing similar experiences, and I feel a strong responsibility to help find a solution. We know that developing treatments for neurological diseases is not easy. I may not have the competencies for drug discovery, but I can contribute by improving drug delivery to the brain. I have a deep passion for science, research, and my work as a whole, and I'm excited to now lead my own independent research in Belfast, and I look forward to collaborating with other passionate scientists to create a lasting, meaningful impact.